Yo, another quick video right here. And this is another hairstyle I'm doing with my long hair with my two-strand twist. And at the end of this video, I'll put a link to how I do the two-strand twist. Just give me like a day or two. I'll put that link out here, and it'll be linked at the end of this. But you see I got the Black Panther right there because this is going to be like a Black Panther inspired hairstyle, kind of like the Killmonger. And so the way I did it was I've got the two-strand twist in, and I wet my hands a little bit, and then just kind of, because it was like it was dry. I had this twist in for like a few days, and then I put a little bit of this Eco Styler gel, same gel I always use. Put a little bit of that on my hands, and then kind of rubbed it across this way, and then I put this do-rag on, and I've had the do-rag on for like I'll say like an hour. And so it should be good. So you can see they're kind of like going to the side, and so it looked like it came out pretty good. But like if it looks like too smushed, you can kind of shake it out a little bit, and then just kind of make sure they're all positioned, laying how you want. And it looks kind of cool because you can kind of put some in the front a little bit, and then after a while they'll kind of hang a little bit looser anyway in the front. So just another way to style your two-strand twist that I think looks pretty cool. So I'll give you the spin around on it. So, all right, stay tuned. Like I said, I'll link my two-strand twist video after this. And so don't forget to subscribe and check me out. All right.